Meaning of glottal stop.
Glottal stop.
Glottal stop.
Glottal stop.
Glottal stop. A glottal stop is a speech sound that is produced by briefly closing the vocal cords, causing a momentary pause or gap in the flow of air. It is represented symbolically in the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, by the symbol. In English, it is often heard at the beginning of words such as oh and aha, as well as in some dialects in place of the /t/ sound in words such as button and kitten. The glottal stop is also found in many other languages around the world, including Arabic, Hebrew, and Hawaiian.